Markeja from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. Today I have brought a lesson for class 9 subject mathematics and the chapter is number system part 2. In today's lesson I have brought exercise 1.5 from NCERT books. In this exercise there are 5 questions and first question is classify the following as rational or irrational number. So see, first question is 2 minus root 5. And 2 minus root 5, in this 2 minus root 5, 2 is the rational part and root 5 is the irrational part. And as we know, the difference of rational and irrational is irrational number. So we can say this 2 minus root 5 overall is irrational number. Okay, under it. Next is 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23. This under root 23 will be cancelled because plus and minus are there. And after cancellation, this one will be 3. And these 3 lie in the form of p by q, where q is not integer. So we can say overall this 3 plus under root 23 minus root 23 is the rational number. Okay. Next, 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Same root 7 is there. So we can cancel this. And after cancellation, simply we get 2 by 7, which lie in the form of p by q. So this 2 by 7 is also rational number. In this 1 by root 2, it is in the form of p by q. Actually, q is not equal to 0, but this q is irrational number. So when any number is given in the form of p by q, and suppose q is not equal to 0, but q is irrational number, then that will be irrational number. So we can say this one is the irrational number. Okay. Next is 2 pi. In 2 pi, this one is the rational part, and pi is the irrational part, and the product of rational and irrational is irrational number. So we can say 2 pi is irrational number. But just I have said pi is irrational number. This one is just you have understood 2 pi overall is irrational number because 2 is rational and pi is irrational, and this 2 pi is irrational number. But on this same basis there is the question number 3. But see, after question number 1, why pi is irrational? To resolve this contradiction, so pi is defined as the ratio of circumference of circle to its diameter. And when the circumference of circle is divided by diameter, then the quotient starts from 3.14, and after this digit occurs such that it is neither terminating nor non-terminating repeating. So this can be said, this is neither terminating nor non-terminating, it is recurring. So this pi is irrational number, and this way we can resolve this contradiction. Okay, but when the value of pi is taken as conventionally, we take the value of 22 by 7. In reference book somewhere the question is why pi is irrational and 22 by 7 is irrational. At this aspect we understood the value of pi is 22 by 7. Actually the value of pi is not 22 by 7, but conventionally we take the value pi 22 by 7. This lie in the form of p by q. So this is rational number, but pi itself is irrational number. Okay. Have you understood question number 1 and 3? Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is classify. Question number 2 is simplify the given numbers, and the question is 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. What question is this? Here we have to multiply 3 2 is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 2 is 6, 3 root 2, this is 2 root 3, and this is root 6. Here overall all these 4 terms are unlike. So we can say this one is the simplified form of this number, and this one say a plus b and a minus b. And also this question is given in the format a minus b and a plus b, but there is identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this question can be solved if 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 is equal to a square minus b square, then a is equal to 3, so a square of 3 minus square of root 3. The square of 3 is 9 and the square of root 3 is 3. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and this 6 is the simplified form of this. Okay, any problem? Next question. Now see this. Similarly, these questions can be solved. Under root 5 minus under root 2, under root 5 plus under root 2. So once again it is given in the format a minus b into a plus b, and once again a square minus b square, and a is root 5 and b is root 2. So this can be written a square of root 5 minus a square of root 2. This is 5 minus 2, this is equal to 3. So 3 is the simplified form of this. And these questions now, under root 5 plus under root 2. It means let this one is the a and this one is the b. So this can be read as a plus b whole square, and a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written under root 5 square plus 2 into under root 5 into under root 2 plus root 2 square. The square of root 5 will be 5 and 2 root 10 plus 2, and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So this is 7 plus 2 root 10. So this way we can say 7 plus 2 root 10 is the simplified form of this. Okay, any problems? Now question number 4 is there. 6. Question number 4. The question number 4 is to represent under root 9.3 on the number line. Actually, this is the irrational number. And in this question we have to know, when any irrational number is given in under root, in that how we can represent such numbers on the number line. Actually question is 9.3 under root. What is added in this? Nothing is, means 0 plus. So this can be written for better understanding 0 plus. So which number is given under root? 9.3. Now we have to draw a line segment whose length must be equal to 9.3. So let I have drawn AB which is equal to 9.3 cm. And what is added to this number? Just one more than this number must be produced. So since there is 0, so 1 more than 0 is 1. So we have to produce this AB to C such that BC is equal to 1 cm. Suppose in any question there is 1, then more than 1 will be 2, then this must be 2 cm. Suppose there is 4 and 1 more than 4 is 5. In that situation we have to produce this BC 5 centimeter. Okay, but actually there is 0 and 1 more than 0 is 1. So I have produced only 1 centimeter. Okay, and after having this, now we have to draw the right bisector of AC. So have right bisector of AC. We have to draw two arcs from both ends A and C and join this. So this will be O, and O is the midpoint of AC. Now with O as center and OA as radius, draw a semicircle. Now at point draw perpendicular 90 degree and let this is the D. So now it can be said this DB is perpendicular on BC or AC. This DB, since it is perpendicular, after that with center B and with radius BD, once again we have to draw an arc like this. Then, but in these questions we have to use the geometry box. With the help of only pen, these questions cannot be solved. So now once again this BC is produced and let this is E. So now it can be said BE is the under root 9.3, and this is how such type of questions can be represented when it is irrational number on the number line. Okay. Last question is question number 5. How we can rationalize the denominator of the any number C. In denominator, if fraction is given and its denominator is monomial, then its factor, its rationalizing factor will be itself. Its denominator is binomial, say a plus b or a minus b, then its RF will be, the RF of a plus b will be a minus b and RF of a minus b will be a plus b. Okay? Now see the question. Now see, just take example. 1 by root 7. In 1 by root 7, denominator is root 7 and this one is the monomial and the RF of monomial itself. It means the RF of root 7 will be root 7 itself, and by when we have to rationalize, then we have to multiply the given numbers numerator and denominator by its RF. So its RF is root 7, so we have to multiply numerator and denominator with root 7, and after multiplication we get root 7 by 7. So this is the rationalizing of this question. Okay. Next is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Here denominator is binomial and the denominator is given in the form of a plus b and its RF is a minus b. So since root 7 minus root 6 is there, a minus b, its RF is a plus b. So its RF will be root 7 plus root 6. So we have to multiply its numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 6. So see, root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Now we have to multiply, and when this one is multiplied with 1, then we get root 7 plus root 6. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So root 7 square minus root 6 square, that is root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6. This is root 7 plus root 6 by 1, or simply it can be said root 7 plus root 6 is the rationalization of this. Root under root 1 by under root 7 minus under root 6. Okay. Next question. Same question is given. Same type questions. And the question is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. The denominator is binomial in the form of a plus b. So RF will be a minus b, that is root 5 minus root 2. So this numerator and denominator must be multiplied with root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. 1 into this, that is root 5 minus root 2, and a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is root 5 square minus root 2 square, that is root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, that is root 5 minus root 2 by 3. So this is the rationalization of this. Okay. And once again, same question is given. And question is 1 by root 7 minus 2. Denominator is once again binomial in the form of a minus b. So its RF will be a plus b. So we have to multiply its numerator and denominator by root 7 plus 2 into root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. And when root 7 plus 2 is multiplied with 1, then we get simply root